Pronoun is a word used in place of noun. As for example, John is absent because he is ill. The word he is placed here in place of John. So he is pronoun. Next sentence. Ahmad is a boy. He plays football. In this sentence, the word he is pronoun. Tanvi is a woman. She is honest. Who is honest? We are saying about Tanvi. So we place the word she instead of Tanvi. So the word she is pronoun. In this way, he, she, I, him, those, they, all are pronoun. Right? Now, number 4, that is word. A verb is a word used to express an action or a state. As for example, she writes English. The word write, it is word. I do my work. In this sentence, the word do is word. I always help the poor. I always help. The word help, madad karna. This is word.